breaking news in the murder of Washington Post writer Jamal Khashoggi. Saudi Arabia's top prosecutors announced indictments of 11 individuals. 5 could now face the death penalty. Our chief White House correspondent John Carl tracking the story. And John, Turkey has said that Saudi rulers ordered the killing, but this action pins the blame on much lower-ranking individuals.
These are relatively low-level officials, George. The top among them is the deputy head of Saudi intelligence. All told, as you mentioned, it's 11 indictments. 5 of those face the death penalty. The announcement comes 6 weeks after Khashoggi was killed inside the Saudi consulate in Istanbul. The Saudi story has, of course, been all over the place on this. At first, they claimed that Khashoggi left the consulate alive. And it is hard to imagine, George, that an operation of this kind coming from Saudi Arabia could have taken place without the knowledge or approval of the Saudi crown prince, but his name is mentioned nowhere in this indictment.
Such a tightly controlled kingdom. Meanwhile, on another front, John, in the White House, that top national security official who had drawn fire from the First Lady now leaving the White House.
Yeah, it took a full day, George, but it looks like the First Lady has had her way, although Mira Ricardel, who you see there, is leaving the White House. She is apparently not leaving the administration. In the statement announcing it, Sarah Sanders, the press secretary, said Mira Ricardel will continue to support the president's as she departs the White House to transition to a new role within the administration. Unclear, George, what that new role will be or where.
Okay, John, get inside. We see that snow coming down behind you. Thank you. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.